Hello YouTube, it's Randy Dodd in Abilene, Texas, and today I'm going to do a unboxing video. Nothing too special, nothing too fancy. I will tell you, however, that I have taken a couple of days off and not went hunting for ammo in Abilene, but because for the most part I have quite a bit now and I'm happy with the amount I have, so I'm kind of taking it low on that. But I wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail today and let you guys take a look at it and see what you guys think. And here is the box, and before we open up a box, I like to give it the sniff test. Smells good. And it is packaged up really nice from APMEX Investment You Can Hold. So that gives you some idea as to what's inside the box. And the box is taped up. Nice quality built box. Nice and strong. Packed in some foam. 2 layers of foam, I guess. And merchandise is enclosed on the inside, shipped from Oklahoma City, and has a telephone number for to call if there's any complaints, I guess. Let's go ahead and open this up. Have to cut this open. And this is the receipt. And 5 pieces of silver. Sealed inside some plastic. Labeled 1 troy ounce. Pretty nice looking package. And silver, 1 troy ounce. And I guess this is the beginning of my stack. I really like it. I would like to buy a little bit every month, about like this, you know, a few of them every month to offset inflation a little bit and take some of my cash money and put it in a more tangible asset. And I thought silver might be a way to try it out. It's not a quick turnover, get rich scheme or anything. It's for the most part, a long-term investment, kind of like my real estate holdings. It's just something to have and to look at from time to time and enjoy it. Maybe hand it down to the next generations